Welcome to our CitiBank UAE review. Find links to everything discussed down below. Let's see if CitiBank UAE is right for you. This bank caters to individuals and businesses wanting premium banking with global reach and local expertise. Their standout Citi mobile app provides seamless account management, international transfers, and personalized insights, especially useful for expats. The global banking advantage lets you open accounts in multiple countries, transfer funds competitively, and access finances worldwide via the Citi Global Wallet. They offer diverse accounts, including savings, current, and premium Citigold accounts. Citigold clients enjoy personalized wealth management, priority service, perks like airport lounge access, and preferential exchange rates. Citibank's credit cards are among the UAE's best. Options like the Citi Premier and Citi Cashback cards offer generous rewards, travel benefits, and cashback, suiting various lifestyles. Customer support is excellent, with 24/7 phone and chat assistance. CitiBank UAE prioritizes digital banking, letting you manage bills, apply for loans, and track investments online. Their secure digital ecosystem features biometric logins and two-factor authentication. Note that CitiBank UAE focuses on mid to high-income clients. Some Citigold services require higher minimum balances. In conclusion, CitiBank UAE excels in global reach, digital convenience, and premium services. If you're an expat, frequent traveler, or need international banking, CitiBank UAE is a great choice. Explore more using the links below.